Hello guys, in today's video we will see how to change point style in AutoCAD. In this drawing we see some points, but in this drawing we have points who are not at the screen, or with the other words they are in the some place on the lines. If we want to see all points, we need to change our point style. For do that, we can choose or type the command ptype. In my version of AutoCAD, the name of this command is dd ptype, but in the most of the versions of AutoCAD, the name of this command is only ptype. Okay, now we have different uh, point styles who we can to choose, and we have to choose the size of the points. For example, I choose 5 units, absolute units, and now we can see that the our points are different. For we don't confuse, the point is only the center of this figure. The other place of these figures are not lines. The AutoCAD recognize only the center of these points. Okay, now what is the difference between absolute and relative unit? Back to the pet type. If we choose absolute units, our points always will have the same size as in this case. But if we choose relative or screen units of the points, the size of our points will be changed when we zoom in or zoom out. In this case, this is not very. This we can see very good, but in the most of the AutoCAD versions, we can see how when we zoom in and zoom out, the uh, point uh, size will be changed. The absolute units are better for printing, and relative units are better if we have drawing with a lot of details and we want to see it in our screen with the same size. When we have when we zoom in or zoom out. Now, if we want to uh, back the basic point style, we can again type pet type and choose the first point style, and we are as in the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching, guys.